What's up, guys? Welcome. So, I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video is because I want to learn more about people who can sing different covers and different songs from across the world. So, I've met upon this guy. He goes by the name of Lloyiso, and he have done a cover to one of Adele's biggest song ever, and it's called Easy on Me. So this is in fact my first time knowing of this guy. I don't know what he's capable of. I don't know if he can sing really good. So it's gonna be an experience of a lifetime. So without further ado, guys, let's see what's up. Let's see what he's capable of at this point. Peace.
There ain't no gold in this river.
This is beautiful, bro. Guys, I've never heard such amazing voice coming from a guy in this very long time, especially the way he looks now, right? This is so beautiful.
That I've been washing my hands in forever. I know there is hope in these waters.
Damn. Wow. He's astounding. He's really astounding. Oh God.
But I can bring myself to swim when I am drowning in this silence, baby. Let me in. Go easy on me, baby.
Yeah, wow. That feels so good. That feels so good. Oh, chills, bro. Chills. This felt so good. Inspirational.
I was still a child, didn't get the chance to feel the world around me.
Oh, this is a very, very, very beautiful voice, bro. Damn. It's my first time and I'm feeling so amazed. I'm impressed. Trust me.
I had no time to choose what I chose to do. So go easy on.
Guys, I'm sorry, but this is taking a toll on me right now because this is superb. So beautiful.
Me. There ain't no room for things to change when we are both so deeply stuck in our ways.
Bro, you inspired me so much, bro. This literally led me to go deeper into your songs, to go deeper into your performances, your guitar playing. Bro, I'm from Jamaica and I've been so connecting with these people from across the world, and their music is literally changing so many people's lives, including myself, bro. And you should keep up the excellent job, because I never heard you before. I know nothing at all about you, and you gives me hope, and I'm feeling grateful at this point to hear you sing, bro. Let's continue.
You can't deny how hard I have tried. I changed who I was to put you both first, but now I give up. Go easy on me, baby.
Bro, voice control is perfect. His breath control is perfect. Fuck, bro. Damn, this is magnificently done, bro. Terrific job, G. Terrific job. Damn.
I was still a child, didn't get the chance to feel the world around me.
This guy can sing so good, right? Bro, your voice is such a healing, bro. You healed me, bro. You do heal me, bro. I mean, like, going through so much in life, bro. And to hear this voice, it literally healed me, my G. And this is what we call music. Music, this is called, bro. There's nothing at all to take away this gorgeousness from this song, bro. Especially the way how you sung it, my G. Damn, you're so good, bro. So good.
I had no time to choose what I chose to do. So go easy on me.
The way we pulled out that note, you never expect him to go so far. His breath control is magnificent. Wow. Bro, you've earned a fan, bro. You've earned a fan. And I'm gonna be so intrigued to learn more about you. If you guys did like this reaction, don't forget to leave a like on the video, and always share a suggestion that I should check out next when it comes on to this man here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.